finally managed to do it after getting that off there. It's starting to look like a Rubicon or something. Gonna take off the other sporty sport now, boss.
What you need? What you need?
Hell yeah. I wanna be a cowboy, man. Hell yeah. Yeah, it looks so much better now without those jive sport things in there.
Right.
You got anything to say on the matter? Thought so. 5/8 and 18. Oh, my heck. Oh, heck. Ow. No. Stop it. No. Okay. Alright, you want to be that way? Okay, fine. We don't have to play like that, or we don't have to play like that. Alright, heck Max, we got it done, boys. Let that skid in there. Don't she look pretty, boss? Got that one in there.